Hello and welcome back. My name is Anthony and today we're going to look at 4 ways of getting the ribbon back on top of your worksheet in Excel. The 4 methods I'll show you are not just for Excel but for all other Office programs, including those in the 365 family. These are our ribbon tabs right at the top of our worksheet. Below is the ribbon itself. Depending on which tab you're in, the ribbon will change. So, what do you do when you're working away and you look up or you open up an existing Excel file and you find that the ribbon has gone missing? First things first, do not panic. The ribbon with its commands is only hidden and will reappear as soon as you select a tab. But what you probably found out is that as soon as you click off the tab, the ribbon will collapse. So how can we get the ribbon back and fix it to the top of our window? Our first method is the simplest and easiest. All we have to do is select one of our ribbon tabs and double click. The ribbon is now fixed back on top of our worksheet. When we select off, it's still there. If we double click again on any of the ribbon tabs, it will disappear or collapse. The second method is just as easy. Instead of using our mouse, we're going to use our keyboard. We'll use the Control and F1. Again, our ribbon is visible, it's locked in place, and when we click off, it is here. To hide or collapse the ribbon, all we have to do is Control F1. So that's our second method. Our third method is by using the pin. So what we can do is select one of our tabs. Now we know that the ribbon is only there temporarily, but over on the far right hand corner we can see a pin. If we select the pin, it locks our ribbon in place. Replacing the pin, we have a chevron. If we select the chevron, it hides our ribbon. For our fourth method, what we do is right click on our File tab. We have the option there to collapse the ribbon. We can see it's been selected, so we deselect. Our ribbon is now back in place. We can click off and it's back up and running for us. So if we right click again, we can ask it to collapse the ribbon and it's hidden from view. There you go, guys. 4 easy ways to get your ribbon back after it's been collapsed. Hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. See you next time.